Welcome back to Top 5 Hub, your go-to place for fascinating and mind-blowing countdowns. In today's episode, we'll be diving into the dangerous and murky world of cybersecurity as we reveal the top 5 worst cyber attacks in history. Hold on to your passwords and tighten your firewalls because things are about to get wild. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss any of our thrilling countdowns. Alright, let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we have WannaCry ransomware attack. The WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017 was a worldwide cyber calamity that struck over 200,000 computers across 150 countries. This nasty malware encrypted users' files, rendering them inaccessible, and demanded a ransom and Bitcoin to unlock the data. WannaCry targeted businesses, hospitals, and government agencies, causing widespread chaos and damages estimated to be in the billions that made everyone wanna cry. The attack was eventually stopped by a young cybersecurity researcher who discovered a kill switch in the malware code. Ironically, the hero was known online as Malware Tech. Talk about a fitting name. Up next, at number 4, we've got Equifax data breach. In 2017, the American credit reporting agency Equifax suffered a massive data breach that exposed the personal information of a staggering 147 million people. That's right, nearly half of the US population had their sensitive data, including social security numbers, birth dates, addresses, and even driver license numbers, compromised. The breach was a result of a vulnerability in Equifax's website software, which was left unpatched for months. The company's poor handling of the situation led to a hefty $700 million settlement and several high-ranking executives stepping down. This incident serves as a crucial reminder to always keep your software up to date. Now, let's reveal our number 3 pick. Yahoo data breach. Yahoo experienced not one, but 2 massive data breaches. The first breach in 2013 affected a mind-blowing 3 billion user accounts, while the second breach in 2014 exposed around 500 million more. Personal information like email addresses, passwords, and even security questions and answers were compromised. Yahoo's delayed disclosure of the breaches and their inability to accurately assess the scope of the damage cost them greatly, including a whopping $350 million reduction in their acquisition price by Verizon. Ouch! Coming in at number 2, we have the NotPetya ransomware attack. The NotPetya was a devastating ransomware attack in 2017 that initially targeted Ukraine, but quickly spread across the globe. What set NotPetya apart from other ransomware attacks was its true intent: destruction. The malware disguised itself as ransomware, but its primary goal was to cause irreversible damage to the infected systems. The attack affected major companies, government institutions, and critical infrastructure, with estimated damages reaching over $10 billion. NotPetya was a chilling reminder that cyber warfare can have real-world consequences. And finally, our number 1 worst cybersecurity attack in history is Stuxnet. Stuxnet was a highly sophisticated and targeted computer worm discovered in 2010. This cyberweapon was designed to attack Iran's nuclear program, specifically targeting the country's centrifuges used for uranium enrichment. This unprecedented cyber attack was a joint effort, allegedly by the United States and Israel, to disrupt Iran's nuclear capabilities without resorting to conventional warfare. What makes Stuxnet so remarkable and terrifying is its level of sophistication. It was able to infiltrate Iran's Natanz nuclear facility, bypassing multiple layers of security, and cause the centrifuges to malfunction. The worm was so stealthy that it evaded detection for years, causing damage to nearly 1,000 centrifuges before being discovered. Stuxnet changed the game in cybersecurity, proving that cyber weapons could be used for targeted physical destruction and ushering in a new era of cyber warfare. And there you have it, the top 5 worst cybersecurity attacks in history. These incidents remind us of the critical importance of robust cybersecurity measures and the need for constant vigilance in this ever-evolving digital world. If you enjoyed today's countdown, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, drop a comment below and let us know which cybersecurity attack shocked you the most. Stay tuned to Top 5 Hub for more captivating countdowns, and as always, stay curious.